School of Badminton Foundation Sangli proposes Badminton Academy Complex. Shri Timir Arware, an Olympic alumni coach who owns Timir Badminton Academy Sangli, is also the founder member of School of Badminton Foundation. This project is in three phases. Phase 1 can be completed in 1 year and all the three phases will be completed in 3 to 4 years. Phase 1 will consist of 8 courts, 1000 square feet gymnasium, 1000 square feet admin office, viewers gallery, special entrances, toilets and cafeteria. The cost of this phase will be around 2.5 to 3 crores. Phase 2 and 3 will consist of boys and girls dormitories, family rooms, separate mess and separate recreational halls. These phases will cost nearly rupees 9 to 10 crores. The highlights of the projects are world-class 8 badminton courts, boys hostel with recreation room and separate mess for 64 boys, girls hostel with recreation room and separate mess for 32 girls, 10 independent family rooms. Plan to employ foreign coaches. Promoter wants to nurture raw talent to international level. 2 viewers gallery with a capacity of 150 viewers each gallery. 1000 square feet gymnasium. 1000 square feet administrative and security office. Separate entrance for players and coaches with washrooms and changing rooms. Possibility of creating 18,000 square feet additional facility for additional activities. High-tech surveillance and CCTV systems. Air conditioner with additional costs. Option to install PV solar system for generation of 150 kilowatt electricity. Option for rain harvesting up to 300 kiloliter of rainwater. Shri Timir Arware is running Timir Badminton Academy in Sangli for the last few years. As Olympic alumni coach, he has trained more than 5,000 students at beginner, intermediate and advanced levels. The academy is employing 4 to 5 regular coaches and is managing following badminton courts. 4 courts in Krishna Valley Club, 1 court in Sangli Gymkhana, 2 courts at Jaisingpur College, 1 court at Azad. Some of these 8 courts were non-functioning during the pandemic and activities remained at low level. Recently, the activities have picked up. With a view to enhance the activities and to take badminton in Sangli at international levels, Shri Timir Arware founded one NGO, that is School of Badminton Foundation. Shri Timir Arware also runs a wholesale business for sports equipments and accessories and many times bears the expenses of School of Badminton Foundation. Shri Timir Arware's vision is to make Sangli and School of Badminton Foundation a hub for the sports of badminton and eventually conduct state level, national level, and international level tournaments. He also wants to start small centers in semi urban and rural areas to tap raw talents. Promising candidates can enter into the School of Badminton Foundation under sponsorship or scholarship. Cost of Phase 1 consists of building worth 1.8 crore, utilities worth 23 lakhs, furnitures and fixtures 9 lakhs, pre-operative and preliminary expenses 17 lakhs, contingencies rupees 14 lakhs, totaling nearing about 2.43 crore. Land cost is not taken into account as it is considered on lease or is made available as an investment. The means of finance for phase 1. Rupees 1 crore will be introduced in the project by the promoters and their friends and relatives. Another rupees 1.5 crore would be taken as bank loan totaling up to rupees 2.5 crore as project finance. Brief projections for the 5 years. Estimated total income, including student fees and advertisements, for the first year would be to the tune of 1.90 crore and the expenses would be around 1.71 crore, generating the surplus of 19.34 lakhs. It is projected that the surplus will increase to 96.84 lakhs in the fifth year. The detailed year-wise analysis is provided in the table. Cash flow for 5 years. Above projection suggests that the sports complex with only phase 1 can generate enough income for meeting the financial expenses, interest and repayment of the loan in 6 years, including first year moratorium. Additional investment of rupees 80 to 90 lakhs and making the courts air conditioned can generate income of 25 to 30 lakhs per annum. School of Badminton Foundation is a very prestigious complex for Sangli as well as Maharashtra. Your help is needed to complete this project. A proposed company will manage the operations under the umbrella of foundation. You can donate the funds to the foundation with ATG benefits or join the company as an investor. Donors and investors will reap the benefits in cash or kind. Benefits may include free playing slots, free passes for tournaments, and sizable discount in other activities. Don't hold back yourself. Come forward with your donations and investments. Thank you.